Johnny here from Johnny's Homebrew Adventures. Just a quick update on the Blichmann Riptide Pump Upgrade kit. I've got it all assembled today and just doing a water test right now. So far things are going really well. I've also got the recirculation arm from Ontario Beer Kegs that I'm trying out. It took me a little finagling to get things set up, but seem to have got it all put together and working well now. Yeah, so without further ado, here we go. Okay, so the pump's running. Everything's whirlpooling quite nice. The OBK recirculation arm's working well. This is my 15-gallon OBK kettle, currently just sitting on a milk crate. The recirculation arm, I've got a Blichmann barbed fitting on there at the moment. So I'm able to move it to whatever, wherever, and seems to be working quite well. So far I'm super pleased, and the pump has no leaks, so it's ready for brew day.